me and my nan, it was a traditional Christmas thing. She made Christmas cakes for the whole family, and I was involved from being as big as small as I can remember, being able to see over the table. I've always baked with her, that's why I've got this little baking house from there. Okay, so the cake mix comes with everything you need, apart from eggs and butter. Okay. So all you need to do to get this perfect Christmas cake going is pour in the pre-baked exact measurements of sugar, and then add in, now this is almost a full packet of butter, so if you buy a half pound block of butter, cut that finger off if you haven't got any scale, and that's just about it, but just I've measured it out, it was in a bead.
Does it need to be soft?
It needs to be soft, so if it's a hard block of butter, leave it out of your fridge overnight. You can do this with an electric mixer if you want. This just goes to prove that you really don't need one.
Yeah.
So once you've kind of got most of the sugar incorporated into that butter, mix it. So, like I say, if you want to use an electric one, it just takes a bit of time away.
Yeah.
But if you've got children, you can get the kids involved.
Yeah.
Get them in, get them stirring it. They love to be involved. I know from experience that I couldn't wait to do this. While Nana was busy measuring out all the other stuff, I thought I was doing a really important job.
Oh, helping out.
So,
making the family Christmas cake.
well, the families, she used to make about 10.
Really? So were they gifts? Were they?
Well, she made them for all her children, with which she had 4.
Wow.
So she made them for her, then she made them for our house. And gifts as well, yeah. Grandkids.
Yeah.
So there we have it, that looks pretty good to me. Now if you're confused as to what to do next, here is the instruction sheet. The fact that I know because I've done it several times, but it's foolproof. Read that, you can't go down.
And you've written that instructions yourself?
Yeah. Yeah, I did that 7 years ago now.
So I guess the principles haven't really changed in that time. Oh wow.
No, exactly the same. 2 double yolkers. 3 double yolkers. Don't know whether this is going to affect the cake, but if anything it's going to make it better. And 1 single. So you need 4 nice big eggs. Mix the eggs with just lightly. You need to add to that egg mixture 125 ml of liquid. If you've got children that you want to be eating the cake, you can use milk. I don't have children, so I use rum. You can use brandy, you can use sherry, whatever you like. If you don't have a measuring jug, it's approximately 1/3 of a cup. So a normal kitchen mug that you would use for tea and coffee at home, slosh about 1/3, the way up the cup, just in case you don't have it yet. So mix that in with the egg. And then you add a little bit of egg and a little bit of flour to this buttery, sugary mixture. So just a little drop, not too much. Sifted. So this pack contains the flour, the spices and ground almonds. So just sieve that up there. And just give it a nice stir. And again.
It smells amazing, I was going to say, that just smells delicious. anyone can do. I don't know.
Anyone. If you can read, follow instructions. The whole premise of it is that you don't need loads of complicated equipment, you don't need a fancy mixer, fancy all singing, all dancing mixer. The tools are simple. You need a mixing bowl, and a tin and a sieve. That's pretty much it. You don't even need to have scales or a measuring jug because it's easy.
And there's no waste as well, because you've literally got what you need.
That's a lot of the reason why a lot of people don't make it because they look at the ingredients and by the time I've bought all the packets, there'll be leftover this, that and the other. I'll never use it because they don't bake or they don't bake regularly enough to warrant having all that stuff. Don't ever do this by a mixer. If you've done the sugar and the butter together by electric mixer, that's great. Don't ever do this part of the fruit because it takes all the air out of the mixture. Just gently folding the flour in. So that's good to go, and then all we do is throw everything else in.
So what's that there?
This is orange and lemon peel. Now a lot of people might not like orange and lemon peel because they're used to getting the big chunky pieces that you sometimes get in cakes, and if you do that, it goes quite hard when you bake it. But our orange and lemon peel is double cut, so it's really fine, so you get that lovely orange zesty flavour without all the big lumps. This is 100 grams of glacé cherries, exactly measured, beautiful big juicy cherries. They were invariably short in my Nana's Christmas cake because while she wasn't looking, I used to pinch them. The rest is well, delicious. And then this is freshly mixed in our shop, the most gorgeous mixed fruit, raisins, currants and sultanas. Now a lot of people will soak the fruit in rum or brandy. The traditional reason why is because dried mixed fruit used to be just that, dry, little bits of horrible. So they add something to it to bring back the moisture. Really not necessarily there because the fruit is lovely and moist and it's lovely and juicy. But you still can if you want to. If you want to give it a little bit of a kick before you put it in. And then very, very gently stir it all together. And all we have to do with that is pop it in a tin, and I challenge anybody to not be able to do that. So here is the tin that I have prepared. You do get a sheet of greaseproof paper in your cake mix. Basically you just do it low and slow in your oven. I wish you had smell-o-vision because this is amazing. If I do so myself. So how long does that take me? What, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
So I want about 10 minutes. I want about 10 minutes before they sit down and watch the telly. Smooth it out so it's nice and even. You don't want it to be wobbly, otherwise it shouldn't rise very much. It's quite a rich cake. There's lots of fruit in it. There we are. Well, I'd be pretty happy to put that in my oven.
Oh.
Just like that.
Perfect.